How artificial intelligence will impact the accounting industry? Artificial intelligence has become significant in the accounting industry, transforming how we manage information and tasks. The future of accounting with AI looks promising as it continues to automate and streamline tasks previously done by CPAs and accountants. Artificial intelligence is having a profound impact on the accounting industry, bringing about significant changes and opportunities. Automation and efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks in accounting, such as data entry, accelerating financial closures and reducing errors. It allows accountants to focus on strategic initiatives. Streamlining procurement. AI streamlines procurement processes by processing unstructured data, making procurement paperless, and monitoring price fluctuations among suppliers. This helps in cost control and supplier relationship management. Efficient accounts payable and receivable. AI-powered invoice management systems automate data extraction, categorize invoices, and route them for approval, reducing delays and data entry errors. Revolutionizing audits. AI automates audit procedures by analyzing large financial datasets, enhancing risk assessment and fraud detection. Real-time or near real-time audits become possible with AI. Expense management. AI simplifies expense management by reviewing and approving expenses for compliance with company policies, saving time and ensuring adherence. AI-powered chatbots. AI chatbots enhance customer support efficiency by quickly handling common inquiries, improving customer satisfaction with their responsiveness and problem-solving abilities. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the accounting industry, automating tasks, streamlining processes, and enabling accountants to shift their focus from routine work to strategic endeavors. It's not just change, it's a shift towards accountants as strategic partners, offering a future full of possibilities. What other AI-infused tech can impact the accounting industry? Do share your thoughts and comments.